The Swiss stone pine, Pinus cembra, is a beautiful evergreen conifer tree known for its attractive pyramidal shape and dense foliage. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the steps to successfully grow Swiss stone pine in pots, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of this majestic tree in a compact space. Selecting the right pot. Choose a large and sturdy pot that provides ample room for the Swiss stone pine's root system. Opt for a container with drainage holes at the bottom to ensure proper water drainage and prevent waterlogged soil. The ideal pot size should be at least 24 inches in diameter and depth to accommodate the tree's growth. Choosing the right soil. Swiss stone pine thrives in well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Use a high-quality potting mix specifically formulated for woody plants or a blend of peat moss, perlite, and coarse sand. Planting the Swiss stone pine. Follow these steps to plant the Swiss stone pine in a pot. Fill the pot with the prepared soil mixture, leaving enough space for the tree's root ball. Gently remove the tree from its nursery container and place it in the center of the pot. Backfill the pot with the soil mixture, ensuring the tree is firmly supported. Avoid covering the trunk with soil. Water the tree thoroughly to settle the soil and eliminate any air pockets. Watering and moisture. While Swiss stone pine is relatively drought tolerant, it still requires regular watering. Ensure the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. Water the tree deeply, allowing the water to penetrate the root zone, and then allow the top layer of soil to dry out slightly before watering again. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Fertilizing. Feed your Swiss stone pine with a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring or late fall. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the appropriate dosage based on the size of your potted tree. Pruning and maintenance. Swiss stone pine generally requires minimal pruning. However, you can lightly trim any dead, damaged, or crossing branches to maintain its shape and overall health. Regularly inspect the tree for pests and diseases, such as pine needle scale or tip blight, and take appropriate measures if any issues arise. Winter care. Swiss stone pine is highly adaptable to cold climates and can withstand harsh winter conditions. However, potted trees are more vulnerable to extreme temperatures. Provide insulation by wrapping the pot with burlap or placing it in a sheltered area during severe winter weather. Water the tree sparingly during winter to prevent the roots from drying out. Growing Swiss stone pine in pots allows you to enjoy the elegance and beauty of this majestic tree even in limited spaces. By providing the right pot, well-draining soil, proper sunlight, regular watering, and appropriate maintenance, you can successfully cultivate Swiss stone pine in a container. Follow the guidelines in this comprehensive guide,